Добро пожаловать на Евроазиатский покерный тур. Мы находимся в киевском покерном клубе «Крещатик», где в данный момент проходит главный турнир серии. И с нами Джо Хэшем, который выиграл главный турнир мировой серии покера. Hi, Joe.
Hello.
First of all, we were surprised that you are here. So you can compare our tournament with the World Series of Poker. So what do you think about EAPT?
Well, it's a nice structure. The organization is pretty good. Kiev is great, and compared to WSOP, the field is much better.
Joe, as I know, unfortunately you are busted.
Yep.
So yes, please tell us about the situation. How you busted?
Well, my last hand, I was running pretty bad, and I decided to be a little bit more aggressive. I tried to push him out on the flop, but it was a coin flip, and he just called, and I got busted. Couldn't catch it.
Joe, actually, I'm your really number one fan. Please wait for a second, okay?
Yep, sure.
Please, can you give me your signature? Here.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm sorry. Turker Balaglu?
Yeah.
So you are not Joe Hashem.
Well, I am not. Well, I am not.
You have broken my heart.
This is really funny. Everybody thinks that I'm Joe Hashem. But I had some interesting moments with people and cash tables. It worked, you know. But I'm Turker Baloglu from Turkey, and yeah.
So you are not Joe Hashem?
Sorry, no.
It's the biggest surprise of EAPT. Thank you so much for being with us.